my people. So a lot of times you have leftovers, be it chicken, barbecue chicken, or regular chicken, chicken stew, pulled pork, beef ribs, brisket. In this case, I've got Mississippi pot roast leftover. So what we're gonna do is wrap that up inside a pastry dough. This pre-bought pie crust from the store, and dang, this is a really good way to do it. So I'm making pasties, handheld pies, or pockets. Anyhow, stay tuned. This is a good one.
Sure, pasties or pasties, call them what you want. I have Mississippi pot roast on the side. I'm gonna fill them up with that. I have two pre-done red doughs. I'm gonna use this as my marker. We're looking at about 4 apiece. And we're just gonna stuff them up. Oh, this Mississippi pot roast. Take whatever you got. Smash it down a bit. Spin it around a little bit. And there we go. Like that. I'll fold it out. Absolutely perfect. The rest of this dough. Mash up again. Make that perfect. Alright, so we have 4/5 done out of 1. Went ahead and took the trimmings, put it in, being perfect. Putting that away. Take that last bit of dough, roll it out. It ain't perfect by any means, but however, is it fold in half? Sure. Good to go.
Use whatever you want. Pulled pork works great, and so does all sorts of leftovers. These are great. So just use a pre-made dough or make your own dough. However, you do need to roll it down so it's pretty thin, and then crush the outside with a fork. Let's get started. So let's take a look. We have one right here. Let's cut a whole lot of that. Take a little bit of our Mississippi pot roast. You want small chunks. I did add potatoes in the Mississippi pot roast as well. Put a bite down there. And then fold it up. Pretty much it. Make that as close to the center as you possibly can. Fold it over. Doesn't have to be airtight. But we'll go ahead and crimp down the edges anyhow with a fork. It's the only thing we're looking for. Easy peasy. That's it. Boom. So what you're looking for is basically fold it over, make sure the stuffing's inside. Seal it up. It doesn't have to be airtight, like I said. We're not frying this. Make some fork marks on the side, and having a wet fork actually helps on the dough. So we'll flip it over, do it on both sides. The very next thing we want to do is an egg wash. A little bit of water and an egg. Let's go ahead and whisk it up. Looking good. We're covered in egg wash. All right, let's get her fired up. That's about how many pellets I got. Let's go ahead and turn it on to 300. So it's preheating right now. I'm gonna set to 300. This grill tends to run real hot. So I'm gonna keep it on 300 and see where we end up. And it's 100 degrees outside. So that may play a factor. So about 20 minutes in, we'll wait till those heat up and they should be good. And what we're looking for is About $3.75 for about 15 minutes on those guys. Oh, Dougie, it's crazy hot outside. It's 100 degrees. So the internal temp says it's 213. Yeah, as if ever. Yeah. Rock and roll. So we have our pasties, pasties, whatever you want to call them. They're not the prettiest, but do keep your dough cool, and they'll look better than mine. We're running pretty hot, so I'm going to check them in about 10-15 minutes. All right, let's go ahead and cut this guy. Take a taste test. See how it works. We got our Mississippi pot rust in there. Got a little bit of crust. Take a look and see how it goes. That's really good. That's really good. So call it pasty, pasty, whatever you want to call it. It is dang good. You can taste that smoke flavor, and the Mississippi pot roast is real good. If y'all want a recipe for it, I will do a video on that as well. Anyhow, take care. Pickles out. Yeah, that's fine.